ladies. Now may I please request all our brand representatives to come and join the two gorgeous ladies on stage for a photo op. From the media to kindly wait till all of our brand partners are also on stage. Thank you, gentlemen. Well, our friends from the media will have more opportunity for a photo op a little later. May I please request everyone to kindly settle back. Thank you. To walk in with this portable plug-in router DIR 505 D-Link. The DIR 505 is your all-in-one mobile companion. This portable plug-in router lets you share your internet connection and files all from using one very compact device that fits in your pocket. Tiny yet very versatile. It gives you all the functionality of a router, an access point and a device that lets you share. Next, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise and put your hands together for our model carrying the Transcend. Well, this is the folding bike from Streeter, ladies and gentlemen. The single-speed LT with new design plastic wheels. It is the most popular selling model. Just Time comes with an integrated water ladle which serves with great functionality. This design reproduces a tradition and regenerates an old spirit of many because of its design and function. 50Ah battery offers a swing-away controller, power recline function, front-wheel drive, and allows you multiple adjustments to seat depth, foot plate height, and armrest height. With elegant exterior but powerful interior, Evo TV Hybrid Vola HD integrates TV, FM radio, and multiple entertainments into your PC. Join our gorgeous models for a photo op.
सामने यहाँ पे देखिए मैडम, यहाँ पे देखिए मैडम, यहाँ पे देखिए सामने सामने यहाँ पे अभी मैम सेंटर मैडम, यहाँ पे मैडम आप भी आइए ना, उनको बुलाओ। साइकिल साइकिल
Well, Emma, I mean, you can answer these questions, okay? You're also completely eligible to be part of this contest. It's fairly simple, nothing nerve-wracking. I'll just throw some questions. You can answer them, and if you get them right, you can win something really nice from Taiwan Excellence. But let's just do this in a really orderly fashion. And not everybody's screaming and shouting, so that way I can pick my winners more carefully. Okay, I have a few questions for our lovely audience out here. If you know the answer, put your hand up. Somebody will come up with a mic and we can answer them. The first question I have for you is which of these brands, and I will give you the options, is from Taiwan? Your options are Nokia, D-Link, Apple. Which of these brands are from Taiwan? Just put your hands up. Simple. That's all it takes.
D-Link.
I said just put your hands up and the mic will come to you. I will pick. Arey Papa, we've done this in school. Year after year we do this in school and college. Put your hands up, teacher will come, or the monitor will point out to you. Very, very simple. Right? See, that man with not one hand but two hands up, why don't I ask you the answer? What did he say? Nokia, you take a one-way ticket and go wherever you want to go. Okay, since you answered out of turn, which is against the rules, but I will bend the rules slightly and you can answer yet again.
D-Link.
Very good. That is the perfect and correct answer. And you win yourself a lovely gift this fine afternoon. So now you know how we're going to play the game, right? You can also answer, huh? Aap bindas answer kijiye, don't worry. Camera niche rakh ke answer kijiye. Very simple. I have been associated with Taitra since when? 4 years, 3 years, 5 years. Yes, lovely lady out there. Very good, fantastic. 3 years. What's your name? Ruxana. Well, Ruxana, congratulations. You've really been following my association with Taitra. I'm very proud of you. Okay. The next question coming up. Which of these is a brand partner of Taitra? Japan, D-Link, Hitachi. Since you were the first man who put his hand up, answer kya hai? Very good. Very, very good. You have won yourself. Let's clap for him, huh? You have to be happy for other people also, nah? Not only for yourselves. Clap for others also. Now, they want little personal questions, so I will ask some personal questions as well. Let's see how well you know me. How many children do I have? 5, 3, 2, 1. Yes, lady? 2. That's the wrong answer. Galat jawab. 1. See? Only 1. Very good. Very good. Correct. Only 1. In today's day and age, it's very good. I have 1 kid. Congratulations. Come on, fellow members of the press. Come on, let's clap for your fellow photographer. My next question is, how many brand partners does Taitra have this year? Yes, sir? Very good. That's the correct answer. 39 it is. You can count them right there. They're all there. Okay, we have time for just one more question. Emma, you haven't answered anything. Huh? This question, before I throw it to the lovely people sitting out there, I'm going to ask you. Okay, you can try. There's no harm. You can try. It's very simple. In which song? You watch Indian films, right? Okay. In which song have you seen me recently? Is it, you can take your pick. Okay? Is it Sheila Ki Jawani, Pandey Ji Ki Sweetie, ya Fevicol? Try, there's no harm, Eva, you can try. I'll repeat it for you again.
Please, I don't know.
Oh, okay. So now on that note, we need to send Emma all my DVDs and everything so she can watch comfortably and answer this question the next time. Ladies, where are you ladies? You're not answering anything. Where are the lovely ladies in the house? Last time you answered wrong. Now I'll give you a chance this time. Which one? You know to sing it? Sing. One line? No? Only then will you win the prize. Think about it. You're feeling shy. Feeling very shy. But she's won. She's got it right. Congratulations. Well, I have to say you were very, very good. Very enthusiastic and prompt with your answers. So thank you so much for being part of my little quiz show. I shall give the mic back to our lovely lady over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Malaika. Well, that was a basic test to see if you guys were really paying attention all throughout. And yes, you all
Well, they were very
They
prompt.
were very good, yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we now have a short Q&A session. And may I please request all of our brand representatives to join us on stage.
It's very simple. The first 3 people to register will be the first 3 to go online by us for the Taiwan Excellence Cares campaign. So feel free to come up. You're free.
It's a small gesture towards, well, donating for a noble cause.
Absolutely. So, like we said, it says Cares, so you are doing your bit. We have one lovely gentleman. Right? You're the first one.
Well, we're very lucky. Our brand representatives have volunteered to be one of the first 3 participants of this campaign. Can we have a round of applause for all our 3 volunteers, ladies and gentlemen?
दोनों को दे दो.
Thank you. Now can we have all our brand representatives join us on stage? All right, who has the first question for our VIPs, our celebrity, and our brand representatives? Okay, the gentleman who just registered has the first question.
Yeah, straight. Are you?
You can be louder, raise your hand if you want to stand up in your seat. She can see you better.
मेरा सवाल आपसे हर्ष फ्रॉम जय महाराष्ट्र न्यूज़ ये जानना चाहूँगा कि आज जो प्रोडक्ट अभी हम लोगों के सामने शोकेस किए गए विच इज़ योर फेवरेट वन कौन सा आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया एंड यू वांटेड टू टेक होम राइट
जो आज के जो प्रोडक्ट्स हमने शोकेस किया आई थिंक सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही बेहतरीन थे लेकिन जब साइकिल बाहर आए आई थिंक मेरे आँख एकदम खुल गए आई immediately turned to Emma and I said that cycle looks very very interesting and she told me that's a completely foldable collapsible cycle and it's very very popular so I think हाँ वो साइकिल भी चाहिए.
Our next question. Please raise your hand. We'll pass on the mic.
सलमान ये एफर्ट करो और ये पूरा बजट के साथ
Tell you honestly मेरे पास साइकिल है नहीं घर पे तो फिलहाल इस वक्त I do not want to part with the cycle because I want to keep the cycle myself so I will not be parting with it.
Hi Malaika, Sasha here from Hotjar.com.
Hi Sasha.
Hi. Malaika, how much of a gadget freak are you?
I think I've answered this question quite a few times in my career. Over the years, I think I've become quite the gadget freak. I've become quite knowledgeable about gadgets, and I think our lives are governed by gadgets. There's nothing that we can do without gone are the days where you would write in a diary. You don't even do that anymore. So gadgets rule our life, and I have to, because if I don't, then everybody in my house will make fun of me, and I will be treated like an outcast. So I have to know what's happening with the world outside. So I think I'm pretty gadget savvy. I would say that.
Malaika, the last question. In terms of this brand, is there something which you use on a very regular basis at your place?
A lot of them, in fact. Quite a few of the products are in my house, whether it's the water purifier, the heater. There's we have the stick which I can download stuff on. I have loads of things. In fact, every year, every time there's a new gadget that is introduced, there's something or the other that I use in my house as well.
Thank you.
Hi Malaika, you look beautiful here.
Where are you?
I'm here, right in front.
Sorry.
You look stunning in this outfit, really.
Thank you.
So, I've just been noticing it, for quite some time, be it like being humor or some brand endorsement, basically. Your family is, all out there supporting each other. And you've been associated with this brand for quite a long time. So would you like to get your family on just to make it all the more strong when it comes to campaigning?
Unless you think I'm not doing a great job, you need me to get many more people to be part of it. But I think the fact that I've been associated with it for the last 3 years is proof itself that I've really been very supportive and given it my complete support to be out there where the Thyra Excellence is concerned. And I think at home, if I have to say my husband or my kid, they're very well aware that I'm associated with Thyra, and they support me fully.
Ms. Emma, I have a question for you. What are your plans for Taiwan Excellence campaign? Besides the products that you've launched last year, do you have any plans to introduce a new range of products to the Indian audience?
Can you repeat your question again?
What are your plans for Taiwan Excellence campaign? You have launched products last year. Besides them, do you plan to launch any more products to the Indian audience apart from what you have already launched?
I'm afraid 39 is pretty much enough for this year.
39, sorry if I have to jump in over there. I think last year we had 25? This year there are 39, so I think that alone is a huge jump from last year. So I think with 39 products already launched in the market, I think that's a huge deal.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I want to ask you, you have launched 39 products. How do you plan to market and promote this campaign, like through TVC, radio, print media, and rather popularize it in the business fraternity?
This year, as I have mentioned before, we have, I think, associated with 6 more near mobile, like Ezone, Vivashi, Malat. We are going to have like 6 months exhibition inside mall. So people can go there and experience our products. Thank you.
As simple as that. You can do the same. You can go online, you can check it out. We have it at different malls. There are huge expanses where you can actually be direct touch and feel contact that you can have